Hi guys, it's Joseph. I'm a beginner artist and I'm here to share my journey as I learn, make mistakes and improve. Today I'm going to tackle a new challenge and I can't wait for you to see how it turns out.
When the moon dips low, the stars align. A smoky tune floats past the vine. The air is thick with whispered song. Each note a sigh, the night plays on. Oh, the night plays on, it never ends. A dance of shadows, twists and bends. The keys they hum, the chords they sigh. beneath the velvet, endless sky. The piano hums like a heart laid bare, each stroke a promise, soft and rare. A lover's quarrel, a fleeting tryst, lost in the haze, a world of mist. Time melts away, the minutes stray. Under the spell, we drift and sway. Oh, the night plays on, it never ends. A dance of shadows, twists and bends. The keys they hum, the chords they sigh, beneath the velvet, endless sky. The piano hums like a heart laid bare, each stroke a promise, soft and rare. A lover's quarrel, a fleeting tryst, lost in the haze, a world of mist. The black and white, they tell a tale of fleeting dreams and winds that wail. A fragile waltz, a fleeting kiss, moments wrapped in a twilight bliss.